Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I am Ivan Indrastia and today I'm going to tell you an interesting story. All of you absolutely know about this story. What is it? Of course, it is Bandung Sea of Fire, or as known as Bandung Lautan Api. Without any longer, let's get into it. After the independence of Indonesia, Indonesian government was developing a massive construction in many capital cities. But the Indonesian development is newly often interference from other countries, especially European countries. Some of them are 12 October 1945, Brigadier MacDonald from England came to Bandung. This guy, I think not this guy, this guy, yeah, this guy came to Bandung. Why did he came to Bandung? He came to Bandung to sue Indonesian government. Indonesian government were sued hand over a looted weapon and liberate prisoners of war. But unfortunately, this thing caused a lot of clash between Indonesian army and British army. At night, on 21 November 1945, the Indonesian army with other fighters launched a large attack at Savoy Homan Hotel and Prianger Hotel, both of them located in Asia Afrika, Bandung. 3 days later, Brigadier MacDonald took a revenge by releasing an ultimatum to West Java governor. He wanted Bandung Utara to be sterilized as soon as possible. But during December, there were more and more battles between Indonesian Army and British Army. February 1946, the British Army position were distressed because of the battle they have done. Later, 23 March 1946, Brigadier MacDonald released an ultimatum again, but this time he sent it to the Prime Minister of Indonesia, Sultan Syahrir. He ordered, before the 24 March 1946, Bandung have to be emptied as far 10 until 11 km from the center of the city. Of course, Major General Nasution and General Sudirman refused this. But in order to reduce the battle and bloodshed, Sultan Syahrir pushed them to obey it. The other reason was because there were a big difference in power between the Indonesian army and British army.
General Nasution attended a meeting with high officers and other fighters to discuss the ultimatum. At last, there was one agreement that Bandung was going to burn totally so that the enemy couldn't use the city for any purpose.
This was because General Nasution have known that Nika, or elite army of Netherlands, had planned to make Bandung as their base. Why did them choose Bandung? Because Bandung has strategic location to other capital cities. So if enemy obtain the Bandung, it will threatening the sovereignties of Indonesia.
Night at 23 March 1946, the operation was start at 12 in the night. But at 9 in the night, Bang rocket already burned, then building at Bancai, Braga, Cicadas, Tegalaga, and many more. Because of this, British Army took a step to prevent more chaos and tried to stop all of them. But they were blocked by Indonesian military force, and the battle between them was inevitable.
At Dayakolot village, there was a battle between Indonesian fighters and British army who guard the warehouse. The warehouse were filled by a lot of ammunition and 100 tons of ammunition. Two brave fighters, Muhammad Toha and Muhammad Ramdan, were assigned to blow up the warehouse. They sneaked into backline of enemy defense, and then they made it to blow up the warehouse. But unfortunately, they didn't make it to comeback. Because of this, British lost a lot of their. This moment was one of the most important moments in the history. Indonesia had successfully maintained its sovereignties. A lot of heroes and fighters died in this tragedy. They consider house, property, or everything is not comparable with the independence of Indonesia itself. Deservedly, we, the young generation to keep maintain their spirit and do our best for the country. Merdeka! Maybe that's all from me. I hope you like it and see you in the next video.